Most common English phrases used in daily life. Part 2. My father has been there. My father has been there. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My throat is sore. My throat is sore. My son studies computers. My son studies computers. My luggage is missing. My luggage is missing. My grandmother passed away last year. My grandmother passed away last year. My cell phone doesn't work. My cell phone doesn't work. My car was hit by another car. My car was hit by another car. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before. I've worked there for 5 years. I've worked there for 5 years. I've never done that. I've never done that. I've been here for 2 days. I've been here for 2 days. I've already seen it. I've already seen it. It's very windy. It's very windy. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's shorter than 3 miles. It's shorter than 3 miles. It's on 7th Street. It's on 7th Street. It's less than 5 miles. It's less than 5 miles. It's 9:15. It's 9:15. It's going to be hot today. It's going to be hot today. It's 7:15. It's 7:15. It'll be cold this evening. It'll be cold this evening. It takes 2 hours by car. It takes 2 hours by car. It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather. Is your son here? Is your son here? Is your house like this one? Is your house like this one? Is this the bus to New York? Is this the bus to New York? Is there anything cheaper? Is there anything cheaper? Is there an English speaking guide? Is there an English speaking guide? Is there a nightclub in town? Is there a nightclub in town? Is it nearby? Is it nearby? Is anyone else coming? Is anyone else coming? I'm sorry, we're sold out. I'm sorry, we're sold out. I'm on hold. I'm on hold. I'm looking for the post office. I'm looking for the post office. I'm going home in 4 days. I'm going home in 4 days. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm coming to pick you up. I'm coming to pick you up. I'll tell him you called. I'll tell him you called. I'll talk to you soon. I'll talk to you soon. I'll take you to the bus stop. I'll take you to the bus stop. I'll take that one also. I'll take that one also. I'll have the same things. I'll have the same things. I'll have a cup of tea, please. I'll have a cup of tea, please. I'll call you when I leave. I'll call you when I leave. I'll call you back later. I'll call you back later. If you need my help, please let me know. If you need my help, please let me know. If you like it, I can buy more. If you like it, I can buy more. I'd like to send this to America. I'd like to send this to America. I'd like to make a phone call. I'd like to make a phone call. I'd like to go shopping. I'd like to go shopping. I'd like to go for a walk. I'd like to go for a walk. I'd like to exchange this for dollars. I'd like to exchange this for dollars. I'd like to eat at Fifth Street Restaurant. I'd like to eat at Fifth Street Restaurant. I'd like to buy a phone card, please. I'd like to buy a phone card, please. I'd like a single room. I'd like a single room. I'd like a room with 2 beds, please. I'd like a room with 2 beds, please. I wish I had one. I wish I had one. I went to the supermarket and then to the computer store. I went to the supermarket and then to the computer store. I was going to the library. I was going to the library. I thought the clothes were cheaper. I thought the clothes were cheaper. I still haven't decided. I still haven't decided. I still have a lot of things to buy. I still have a lot of things to buy. I need this to get there by tomorrow. I need this to get there by tomorrow. I haven't finished eating. I haven't finished eating. I haven't had lunch yet. I haven't had lunch yet. I haven't been there. I haven't been there. I have to go to the post office. I have to go to the post office. I have pain in my arm. I have pain in my arm. I don't mind. I don't mind. I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you clearly. I ate already. I ate already. How was the trip? How was the trip? How was the movie? How was the movie? How much is it to go to Manila? How much is it to go to Manila? How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? How much does it cost per day? How much does it cost per day? How much are these earrings? How much are these earrings? How many people do you have in your family? How many people do you have in your family? How many miles is it to Cavite? How many miles is it to Cavite? How long will you be staying? How long will you be staying? How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? How long does it take by car? How long does it take by car? How far is it to Manila? How far is it to Manila? How does it taste? How does it taste? How do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that? How do I get to Lirio Street? How do I get to Lirio Street? How are your parents? How are your parents? He's never been to Boston. He's never been to Boston. He'll be back in 20 minutes. He will be back in 20 minutes. He never gives me anything. He never gives me anything. He doesn't look like a nurse. He doesn't look like a nurse. Have you done this for me? Have you done this for me? Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long? From time to time. From time to time. For how many nights? For how many nights? Does this road to New York? Does this road to New York? Does anyone here speak English? Does anyone here speak English? Do you think you'll be back by 11:30? Do you think you'll be back by 11:30? Do you sell medicine? Do you sell medicine?